इंडिया से फ्रेंड्स वर्ल्ड टीवी रेडियो बॉलीवुड बीट्स पे आप सबका स्वागत। और आज मेरे साथ है कमल जी एंड सुख स्टूडियो में। तो हम आप तक लेके आते हैं इस प्रोग्राम को जिसके बीच में बहुत सारे टैलेंट्स होते हैं, बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंटली चीजें कौन सी आपको नहीं पता वो हम आप तक पहुंचाते हैं। और आज मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ कमल जी के बारे में। कमल जी इज डूइंग अ वंडरफुल जॉब। आर्टिस्ट बनाते हैं। जी हाँ, अगर आपके बच्चे या आप खुद पेंटिंग करना चाहते हैं और क्या क्या करना चाहते हैं, आइए जानते हैं कमल जी से। कमल जी, सबसे पहले तो स्टूडियो में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी।
आर्ट के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं जौन सा आप।
सो वी टॉक अबाउट विजुअल आर्ट्स। सो विजुअल आर्ट्स तो मेरे को लगता है कि सिर्फ पेंटिंग एंड व्हाट यू सी इज विजुअल आर्ट, बट यू टोल्ड अ फ्यू लाइक यू नो वाइड रेंज ऑफ गैमेट ऑफ व्हाट इज विजुअल आर्ट। वो क्या होता है?
सो विजुअल आर्ट मीन्स आप क्रिएटिंग समथिंग, it's called visual art, or capturing something. So photography is also visual arts, and drawing is also visual art. But when you talk about visual arts as a broader subject, you use any material and create something out of it. It's called visual arts, which you are seeing and you are treating your eye, and which is not like it's in an artistic format, not day to day format. So something in a आर्ट एलिमेंट जो भी रहेगा उसको विजुअल आर्ट्स बोलते हैं। एकदम लेमन भाषा में अपन बोले तो दैट इज कॉल्ड विजुअल आर्ट्स। तो उसको ड्राइंग भी बोल सकते हैं, पेंटिंग भी बोल सकते हैं, म्यूरल बोल सकते हैं, क्ले, क्रोशेटिंग, कैलीग्राफी। किसी के हैंड राइटिंग बहुत सुंदर है उसको भी हम विजुअल आर्ट्स ही बोलते हैं। सो इट्स एक टर्म है, बट उसको हम बहुत एलाबरेटली आप डिफाइन कर सकते हो। So we are teaching and we are trying to get so many talented people under one roof in Artist of Sydney, and try to teach 4.5 year plus to any age, means कोई भी, there is no age limit। 4.5 year इसलिए क्योंकि वो बच्चा बैठ सकता है। We are okay to bring like you know little ones also, but here the teaching system is not, you know, they are more playful learning, so छोटे बच्चे can't sit that long, so हमारा क्लास का स्ट्रक्चर थोड़ा बैठना भी होता है। तो इसीलिए 4.5 से हम how to hold a pencil से start करके what is your posture, because it's also very important। you can't just lie down, you can't do like टेढ़े मेढ़े होके, ऐसा नहीं। you need to hold a pencil nicely, you need to hold a crayon nicely to make things perfect. It's not a one day job again. You need to give, you know, put lots of hours of practice to get and fine tune into your things. So yeah.
कमल जी, ये प्रोसेस कितनी देर का है? अगर टर्म बाय टर्म चलता है किस तरीके से?
या सो हमारा टर्म बेस है, वैसे प्रोग्राम्स तो टर्म बेस है, बट हमारे प्रोग्राम्स इज ऑन गोइंग। So we divided into 4 levels. So depending on age as well as child capacity of taking challenges. So it's every time they are learning different thing. So there is no repetition, and I designed because of over 16 years I'm into this field. So I'm teaching into same thing, and it's a long process for me. So slowly I'm also coming across, okay, this, if we add this, if we delete this, it will be more fun for kids. And nowadays, if you notice, like when we were growing, we are happy to listen our grown-ups. We follow their ideology and things. But if you are dealing with 8 years old now or 10 years old, they have their own strong perception of learning. They know what they want to learn, which we don't know when we were small. So that's actually a very good thing, because उनको इतना ऑप्शन मिल रहा है सीखने को, उसको समझने को। So when I'm talking with and interacting with student, because हमारा first session free होता है, like free session, in that we just try to understand what students wants to learn, why they came to us. तो इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल प्रोसेस ऑन अ फर्स्ट डे दैट दे विल टेल कि नहीं मुझे तो स्केचिंग करना है, मुझे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है पेंटिंग, कलर, वाटर कलर में। तो वी स्टार्ट एंड डिजाइन अकॉर्डिंग टू ही और हर, लाइक यू नो, उनके प्रेफरेंस के हिसाब से पूरा डिजाइन कर देते। सो दे फील मोटिवेटेड टू like again come, they will do homework, we give homework, visual arts maybe, so they do little bit instead of screen time, they bring homework. So it's very fun way to motivate to do things, because it's a initially you feel like okay drawing class hi to hai, but you don't know the importance, because it helped them in a mental well-being also, because abhi to they are going through so many mental stress, lots of things happening, peer pressure. But if they do art, they play with colors and things, their mental stress is always mellowed down. They can express, because every child is not expressive verbally, they can express through art. So, and slowly if he or she is good, in NSW specific, I don't know about Victoria and other places, but in NSW, child can take arts as a elective subject in their high schools. So when a child is going to year 9, so there is a visual art as a subject, and we also training to those kids as well. So teenagers also there are, and they are very focused child, like they know what to do and what they will do, and it's a elective means those marks will count in their final assignments. So it's like that.
तो कमल जी एक क्वेश्चन एज ए पेरेंट्स आता है कि वीक में कितनी बार होता है, सेकेंडली इसकी फीसिस प्राइजेस क्या क्या है?
Okay, that's a good question. So it's a once a week class, but we give option in couple of places. So we are at right now 6 places. But जैसे हमारा क्वैकेजिल है और रिवर्स्टन है, वो हमारे 2 मेन स्टूडियोज है. मैं और मेरी co-founder जो है नेहा, we both are running those studios. So in that, if child wants to sit for 1.5 hours, usually it's a 1 hour class, but if child wants to sit for 1.5 hours, 2 hours, depending on their capacity, because they have to work, they have to move their hands and do lots of activities. So if they are ready, they can sit for 1.5 to 2 hours. And fees, we try to keep it as affordable, because that's my personal goal, to make art accessible and affordable to everyone, because sometimes, especially in South Asian parents, because I'm working with so many South Asian parents, and the interaction was they consider art as other subject, but I want that they consider art as a main lifetime subject, because if you give, my parents gave me art as a when I was child, hobby, and it's gave me means, see, I'm running my many businesses through that. I'm doing well, and I'm also like professionally I'm a designer, so that helped me, because मुझे पहले से ही वो नहीं मिलता, तो मैं professionally like ये भी मेरा profession, but I'm also a designer, like graphic designer, so that also helped me there, because you are doing everything digitally. So yeah, consider art as a lifetime. So we keep it like 150 is our starting range. Advance is 320 for term, which is 10 classes. And material, we are typing with Faber-Castell, Montmartre, so they like our syllabus and they are on board with us. So Faber-Castell, is one of the premium brand in art supplies, and they are giving us an exclusive discounts for all our students. So if he or she, like students, enroll with us, we try to give like material also very reasonable rates. So that's our efforts to give a nice art education to students.
कमल जी, अब डिजाइनिंग की बात आती है तो मैं दोस्तों एक चीज बताऊं कि कमल जी खुद डिजाइन करते हैं बना के. मैंने अभी भी विटनेस किए कुछ इयररिंग्स, इन्होंने खुद हाथों से डिजाइन किए. थोड़ा उसके बारे में बताएं कैसे आपकी स्टार्टिंग हुई, बिकॉज खुद डिजाइन करना एज ए ग्राफिक डिजाइन कंप्यूटर पे काम चलता है, लेकिन ये हाथ से बनाना इट्स अ रियली ग्रेट आर्ट. तो थोड़ा उसके बारे में बताएं कैसे आपकी स्टार्टिंग हुआ और क्या क्या करना पड़ता है इसको स्टार्टिंग से एंड पॉइंट तक लेके आने के लिए.
So that's actually very good. I need to go flashback. So everything start like before 16-17 years when I was studying mass communication and journalism, and but art is something like my mom is a pioneer, like who introduced art, and I always very entrepreneur in terms of those things. So when I was in school, तो छोटे छोटे बुक मार्क्स, फिर हम जब छोटे थे वो स्लैम बुक थी, इफ़ यू नो, सो हम बुक मार्क्स उसको डेकोरेट करना वो सब है ना मैं बनाती थी घर पर से, और मेरे फ्रेंड्स को एक एक रुपये में ₹1 में सेल करती थी. सो फ्रॉम दैट टाइम आई वाज लाइक ओके दिस इज सो द लेवल ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन इज द नेक्स्ट लेवल, बिकॉज आप हाथों से बनाया हुआ सेल कर रहे हो. So its journey start from childhood, but when I was I was pursuing my art, I was also studying visual arts professionally, because that's my policy, that I want to spend on myself what I really want to learn. So that time I got my some scholarship and freelancing. So I started earning and I started spending on myself to learn more new things. So that way it started, and slowly I like small cute stuff, accessories. Gradually it changed. It started from Bangalore, then we moved to US, and there also we got very good I got very good response on my accessories also in teaching. And when we moved here in 2018, then we landed in Newcastle. So my daughter was very small that time, and that time I was going through lots of medical stuff. So I used to make things and like where to do. So we started with the markets and things like that. So I started selling those things, and Touchwood got excellent response. So I recently stopped, like from January onwards, I stopped all my.
Why stop?
Because I want to grow this baby more, like Artist Hub City, because it's my long-term goal. So I really wanted to focus on one thing. So slowly I stopped, but Touchwood, my daughter took over those things. So she's 8, but she took over those things. So she said like, I want to stop. And she said, no, mama, I will do it. I'm like, okay, kariye aap.
That's
Talking
really
about
beautiful.
that,
Yeah.
right? 8-year-old. She's an entrepreneur. She's an artist where she does hula hoop and fantastically. It's so excellent, and she fuses Indian and Western dance very effortlessly. So you're raising her as an artist and an entrepreneur, and she's 8 years old. Tell me more about it.
Okay.
How?
I think maybe she's seeing me doing this, because I think when she was 5 months old, she started sitting, and I always do something. So I never stopped making, doing, learning. Those art things, I never stopped those things. So maybe she's observing from very beginning, when maybe in my tummy she was watching me, I don't know. So, and she loves, and she, Touchwood, she never, वो होता है कि ओके आप कैसे कर सकते हो छोटे बच्चे के साथ, मुझे कभी वो चैलेंज ही नहीं आया है. शी इज़ दैट सपोर्टिव. अभी भी मैं एडवांस सीखती हूँ रात को, वो मम्मा आप सीखो, मैं मेरा कर लूँगी, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. शी इज़ दैट टचवुड, शी इज़ दैट कोऑपरेटिव. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द पेरेंटिंग पार्ट, आई फील लाइक if you talk with your child, you will know all the answer. So especially again, like only bookish education, I feel it's important, but आपका बच्चा street smart जो बोलते हैं, the word love is very famous. Street smart, yeah, yes, होना चाहिए, because he or she able to communicate, able to present to world that okay, I have this talent and I know how to present this talent. Because दो चीज़ होती है, मुझे बहुत अच्छा आता है पर मेरे घर में आता है. What about if you not present it out, how people will know?
तो कहने का मतलब है किताबी कीड़े नहीं होने चाहिए.
किताबी कीड़े तो नहीं होने चाहिए.
फिर से बता दूं कि अभी जो आर्टिस्ट हब है, अगर आपके बच्चे या आप खुद सीखना चाहते हैं आर्ट, कितनी आपके अंदर कैटेगरीज हैं, सो आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं कमल जी के साथ. कमल जी, आप एक बार अपना फोन नंबर भी बता दें, किस नंबर पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, you can reach us to www.artisthubsydney.com. Also, you can reach to 0412838254. That's my personal number, but that's my business number as well. So आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं उस पर भी.
और जाते जाते आप सबको क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
Especially to young parents, please devote time, because I feel it's because I'm meeting 100 plus students every week. So I feel the lack of communication between child and parents is increasing like anything. So better you give time to your child, understand what he or she likes, and give the right pathway. Because in Australia, there is tremendous opportunity you will find for your child. Don't force them. And second thing is, consider art as a part of life, because you will improve your well-being learning art, doing art, and showcasing your artwork. So if you have talent, you can always join us, or there are other good institute around Sydney. You can join there, and yes, start your artistic journey. That's
तो दोस्तों,
it.
start your artistic journey at Artist Hub. तो मिलते हैं हम आर्टिस्ट हब पे। इसी के साथ लेते हैं इजाजत। कमल जी के आपको पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं इसके बारे में। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका।
Thank you so much for having me. Yes.
तो दोस्तों, मैं वरुण तिवारी, मेरे साथ सुख एंड कमल जी। और एक बार मैं फिर से बता दूं, मैं नहीं बताता, सुख बताएगी।
Please subscribe to our Friends World TV channel, and exciting news, we have our app Radio Bollywood Beats, both available for Android and for Apple. So what are you waiting for? Please download the app Radio Bollywood Beats, and please, if anyone is interested about art and into creating crafts, not just as a hobby, but to explore, to reinvent yourself on what all this is about, please do reach out to Artist Hub. And if you have any talents that that you would like for us to showcase, so please do reach out to us, so that we amplify your voices and we show to the world what your talents are. So we will meet you very soon. हम मिलते हैं break के बाद।